I liked the concept of a target box like this, but needed something larger and I wanted to be quiet. I began listing materials needed to design one with a larger backstop. Something in case we missed the target would stop it from going where we don't want it to go. I planned to fill it with rubber mulch and other material if the mulch didn't fill the bin. I had a couple of plastic bins and a bunch of 3/4 inch shelves left over that I found on the roadside, so my cost for building this was minimal. I applied my design to the 3/4 inch backstop, placing the targets a bit lower to provide more backstop if needed. Here's the backstop with target and zip tie holes. A lucky find while out garage sailing, I was given this thick foam rubber, which will work perfectly behind the rubber mulch. The only expense I had was an $8 bag of rubber mulch. I'm keeping it in the bag to help contain the mulch as we begin to shoot holes. Here's the profile layer and how I attach the backstop to the bin with zip ties. There's a zillion free targets available to download online. Here are two at the ready. Care to shoot some targets?